Hey everyone, today we're continuing our study of triangles, and today we're going to talk about the exterior angle. So yesterday, just review, we talked about that a triangle angle sums is 180 degrees, and that's for the interior angles of a triangle. Today we're going to talk about the exterior angles. So an exterior angle of a triangle is formed when outside the triangle by extending a side. So as you can see in this triangle ABC, I extended each side so that I formed three exterior angles. So when I do this, that exterior angle forms a linear pair with the interior angle. So angle 2 is a linear pair with lowercase c. Notice that I'm using a different format here of labeling an angle. If it's a capital letter, that means it's the vertex, and I can't say angle C, meaning capital letter C, but I can refer to it as lowercase c because that's definitely only on the inside. So when my exterior angle is angle 1, the adjacent angle is angle A, and the non-adjacent interior angles, or the remote interior angles, are B and C. And again, those are lowercase b and c. So now that I'm talking about exterior angle 2, the adjacent angle is C, and the remote interior angles are A and B. Remote means far away, so the farther away angles. So angle 3, my adjacent angle is B. My remote interior are A and angle C. So what do we know about these? So we know that angle A plus B plus C equals 180 because those are our interior angles. And if we talk about, say, angle 1 here, we know that angle 1 plus angle A equals 180. So these both equal 180. So if they both equal 180, I can say they equal each other. So angle 1 plus angle A equals B plus angle C plus A. I left off the A. Now I'm going to subtract angle A from both sides because angle A would be a number. It's a measurement. And what I get is angle 1 is equal to angle B plus angle C. And in fact, if I do that for any of the exterior angles, it will always be true. So that leads us to our theorem. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum, meaning I add, of the remote interiors. So if I look back, I said angle 1 is equal to B plus C. So angle 1 is our exterior angle. Our remote interior angles were B and C. So angle 2 would equal A plus B. Angle 3 would equal A plus C. So examples. So if I want to find X is equal to 40 plus 90 because those are the remote interior angles. They're equal to the angles that are far away. So B is 140 is equal to 3x plus x because B is, our 140 is on the outside. 3x and x are the angles that are on the inside away from it. So I add those together. So 140 equals 4x, divide by 4, and x equals 35. So example 2. Well, example 2 says RST. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a triangle. Doesn't matter if it's to size, it's just a triangle. So S is 90. So obviously mine is not to scale because that doesn't look like a right angle. T is 30. Find the degree measure of an exterior angle at R. So that means if I take SR or TR and I extend it, it really doesn't matter which one I do. I'm looking for this angle out here. So that would mean that X is equal to 30 plus 90, which is 120. So I want you to pause and I want you to try questions 3 and 4 and come back and check. Okay, so hopefully you paused. So again, in example 3, the first thing I did was I drew a triangle PQR, and then it says P is twice the measure of angle Q. So I decided that Q would be X, which means P is 2X. And I didn't write a let statement, but I labeled it in my diagram. That's the same thing as a let statement. If an exterior angle at vertex R, so I extended the line at R, again, it doesn't really matter which way you extend it, is 120. So that exterior angle is equal to angle P plus Q. So 120 equals X plus 2X. So X equals 40, so angle Q equals 40. And I should have said the measure of angle Q. So here, they gave me the diagram. So I labeled X as 44, because that's what they told me, and Y is 98. So now when I'm looking for QRS, I know that X and QRS are congruent because I know AB is parallel to CD and PR would be a transversal. And therefore X and 44, or X and QRS are alternate interior angles, so it's 44. Then to find RQS, that's that top angle here next to 2, that's a remote interior from angle Y, and so it's 44. So I said 98 is equal to RQS plus QRS, so it's 98 minus 44 gives me 54. Z is on the other side, they're a linear pair. 180 minus 54 is 126. If you have any questions, please bring them to class.